Hey everyone in my VIP group, and this is going to be an entertaining video. All I can say is this is my friend Tiffany.
Hi.
And her and I were just talking. Jen!
Hey, Jen.
So she and I were just talking about, I have a really big, hairy, I know you were thinking, audacious goal of selling a lot of nail strips this month because I am working on a really big promotion.
Yes.
And so
I'll drink to that.
Tiffany and I were just talking about it. And she said, you know what? You just need to tell us what you need from us. And we also need a nail application video. So we are here today to make a nail application video.
Forgive the yabba dabba do feet. 'Cause they are short and awful feet, but that's okay.
I'm going to do Tiffany's feet.
Bless her.
Yeah. Number one, it's entertaining. Number two, they're ready. They're ready to go. They need nail polish. And she chose one of our new fall strips, which is called Best of Both Swirls. And you can see that
that's
this
apropos.
is right. So you can see that this is a gorgeous swirly fall color kind of a situation, and it's got lots of glitter in it. And just to remind you all that we are made in the USA. It's 100% real nail polish. So if you haven't experienced Color Street yet, go ahead, rip into it. Let's open it up. So if you haven't experienced Color Street yet, just know that this is supporting the USA. We have about 500 employees, I think it is, 400 to 500 employees making these strips. So this is pretty amazing. Okay, so I'm going to hand the phone to Tiffany.
Excellent.
And she is going to videotape, and we're going to turn the camera around.
Awesome.
Which, by the way, we have a house full of pit bulls. They're very vicious, so watch out.
I was talking to Shonda and I said, okay, nail time with Shonda. We need nail and wine time with Shonda. So that's all right.
Okay.
All right. How are we going to do this?
So we open the package here, and of course, in your nail kit, you're going to receive your nail application,
Excellent.
nail prep pad, and all this is alcohol that will help you take off your I have to touch your feet, folks.
Oh, Lord.
Don't mind the Fred Flintstone feet.
That's right.
Okay. So what this is doing is it's just cleaning the nail, and it's taking off any human oil, because we, of course, make natural oil with our skin. So that's what it's doing. Now, in your nail package, you're going to get 2 of these strips. So there's actually 16 strips. And if you turn them over, you'll notice that some of them are a little bit chunkier on one end and thinner on the other end. So it helps you to really choose the right fit for your nails. So these are meant for fingernails, but honestly, see mine? Honestly, I did my fingernails and my toes with one set of nails. So I'm going to take this smallest one for her pinky toe. And when I do nails, I always start with the pinky and I work my way up to the thumb. So you'll see how I use my thumb. So there is a little clear strip here that's there to protect the nail color. So that the hardest part of doing your nails is getting that sticky thing off of your fingers. So then we've got, because this is it's 100% nail polish, folks. So there is a clear base coat, color, nail art, top coat, everything is on here. So it's all printed on flat paper. Then it's put into what I call an oven. It's not really an oven, but I call it the oven, and they dry it, but they only dry the base coat to about 95%. So when we peel it off the paper, it's still tacky, and that's what
really
allows
interesting.
it. Yeah.
So then in one shot of putting this on, you're not having to sit there and wait and dry between base coat, color, top coat, all of that. That's fascinating.
Right. So when we apply this, we just put it down to the cuticle, but not on the cuticle. And oh, I didn't get it quite low enough, so I'm going to tear it off real quickly because it didn't have time to adhere completely. So I'm just going to apply it. I just tap it onto her nail, and then I use my thumb as the tool to just go right underneath her natural nail to perforate the nail polish. And voila.
No way. That is so easy. Are you kidding me right now? Look at that. My pinky toe's the worst, guys, but still, look. Oh my goodness.
Pretty cool.
Crazy.
Right? So I'm gonna, now you could use the other half on a fingernail or something. Since I'm doing just her toes, we're just gonna leave it at that. So I'm gonna go to the next strip, and I'm gonna choose this one. I think that end will work. So I'm gonna go ahead and again take off this little plastic coating, and then grab that little silver tab to get it off of the paper. I wish you guys could smell it. Can you smell my finger?
Not my feet.
Okay.
This is fascinating. I love this.
It really is pretty cool. So I'm going to turn it over to the little chunkier side to fit this toe a little bit better. And we just apply it like so.
You guys, this is amazing. Like, this is so incredible.
And again, we take my thumb right underneath her toenail, and boom, we've got...
I mean, seriously, so much better than sitting in a chair for an hour and a half.
Right? Okay, so moving on to my next strip. So a little bit about this polish. This is a patented product. The story goes is that Mr. Park, who is the inventor of these real nail polish strips, was riding on a city bus in New York, and there was a lady in a town car next to his bus, and he was watching her paint her nails in the back of a town car, feverishly trying to get them to dry. And he thought, well, that's kind of weird. Like, that's kind of dumb. Isn't there a better way of doing that? So he spent the next 18 years figuring out how to make dry nail polish. So here you can see that this strip was just a little bit wider than her toenail. So I've got some on her cuticle here. So you know when you're painting your nails and you get some on your cuticle and you just kind of go like that to get it off? You do basically the same thing here, except you just push down to perforate a little bit. And when you do that, you just tear it off and boom, there you go. Perfect fit.
Nuh-uh. It's that easy. That's incredibly easy.
You guys, she's putting in all these exclamations in here like she's never seen it before, but she has. Okay, but I'm using the other half of the strip, the same strip, on her other toe because it's a perfect fit. So there we go. Boom, boom.
So cool.
And again, so here's another fun little factoid. Since 1931, the nail polish industry that was created in 1931 has never been modified. It's never been updated. So until Color Streak came in. And so this is something that is revolutionizing the nail polish industry. So I'm just going to put this up to her toe to see if I want to fit that. It's almost big enough, but not quite. So I'm going to go with one size bigger, and we'll just retrofit it if we need to. So again, we're taking off this clear coat. The dogs are getting all excited here.
They want their nails done too.
Okay, and so I'm going to put that right down to her cuticle, but not on it. These pit bulls, they're so vicious. We didn't get it quite down all the way, so I'm going to peel it off and try again. And there we go. So take this, my thumbnail, right underneath the natural nail. Hi, Chandler. Hi.
There's Chandler. That's my foster dog. He wants his nails done too.
So
since he doesn't have to wait for it to dry, he would prefer that.
Okay. So there's that, and I'm just going to come back and hit these up real quickly with a file just to take off the dangling participles.
I love it.
And so
that is so cool.
So that's all there is to it, to doing a full nail set. Do it on your fingers, do it on your toes. Wherever you would put nail polish, you can apply Color Street because it's 100% nail polish. So put it on acrylics, put it on gels, put it on dips, put it on natural nails, anywhere you want to put it.
Put it on your dog nails. Willow, everybody wants some. Willow, do you want some dog nails? Willow. Yeah. So
anyway, just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to be done. So this month, and this month only, I am running a special for the next 5 days, okay? Because we have this big, hairy, audacious goal of a lot of sales. We need a lot of sales to make a really big promotion happen. And how can you support me? You know, if you love me. If you don't love me, don't worry about it. But if you love me,
everybody loves you, Shonda.
If you love me, then place an order. And when you place an order for a buy 3, get 1 free type of an order, at least, I will send you another strip for free. So
wow.
Buy 3, get 2 free. One of them is a gift from me. And you're also going to be entered into a drawing for one of each of all of our holiday product lines. So you know how fun it is to get those little holiday nails when those come out. I haven't even seen them yet. I know they're going to be brilliant because we have the most amazing designers. So you're going to go into a drawing to win the entire holiday line. So
wow.
Thank you so much for your support, guys, and I appreciate you. Bye.
Bye.